In this video, I will explain how to get started with your story. Once you have opened a student account on Storybird, your page should resemble this one. To start working on your story, click on the Class tab. You will see that there is one assignment called Escritura en el pretérito, and the due date is right below it. You can also see the class library, which currently contains 2 stories that I have created. You can read these stories to give yourself an idea of what yours should look like. Go ahead and click on Assignment and read the instructions that you have here. Remember that on a Springboard you will also find the rubric and the description. Next, we're going to click on Do this assignment. You can search artwork by entering a keyword here or by scrolling down to see some of the recent images that have been uploaded. But for now, I'm just going to look for the word car to see what images are available. And there are a lot of images here, but for this example, I'm going to use this one. So I selected it. And to start on my story, I need to click on Use this art and select Picture Book. This is the format that we will need for this assignment. Notice that the book is on the center of the page and that there are many images on both sides of the page. I suggest that you view the pictures first and then select the ones that will form your story. To add pages, click on the plus sign button right here. You may change the page sequence by selecting a page and then drag it to wherever you want it to be. Okay, so I'm going to just drag this picture here, and by moving it, I can select where I want the text to appear. So for this case, I can write here the beginning of my story. Notice that I am using accents. If you don't know how to use accents, depending on what kind of computer you use, there is information on this on a Springboard under the Content tab. So make sure that you look at that as well. Okay, so there is also a cover page. Your cover page must contain a title and your name. And from here, you can select a classic look, or you can select landscape or journal, and there are different designs. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on this one. Notice that the username shows here, and then I would just write, a title. To go back to the pages, I can simply go here and then I can continue with all the other pages for my story. If you want to delete a page, simply click on the page and then click on the minus sign. It will ask if you want to remove that page. You click OK. And then you continue with the rest of your story. So once you are done with your entire story, if you're finished, you can click on Save and Exit, or Save if you want to come back and continue with your story. But for now, I'm going to click Save and Exit. Okay, you will select I'm finished, publish my story, okay, privately, And then since this is an assignment, to submit it, you need to click on the assignment title. No, it's the only option available right now, escritura en el pretérito. You can write a summary, if there's anything you want me to know, you can write it here. And once you're done, you just click publish. Okay, and so here you have your story. You can view it. And then if you want to go back to the main page, you can click on your stuff, and here's where you will see a number of stories that you have created, etc. But once you submit it, I'll be able to see it. Grades and comments will be posted on Springboard, so make sure that you also check Springboard.